I'm Dr. Kristina Neely. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Kinesiology, and I'm a Clinical and Translational Science Institute KL2 Scholar. The KL2 award has had a great impact on my career. One of the most important things is that I'm part of the CTSI network, both nationally and locally here at Penn State. That's allowed me to meet a lot of great collaborators that I now have ongoing projects with. It's also helped me realize all of the resources available to us here at Penn State and take full advantage of those resources. And the other thing that's been really important is having the protected time to think about how to develop a long-term program of research that tackles a clinical problem. And learning about how to develop this long-term plan of research through these educational workshops, learning how to build teams to tackle these problems has been really helpful. Over the last 2.5 years, I feel this program has really helped me grow as a faculty member, not only through mentorship from senior colleagues who are formally involved in my project, but through peer mentorship. When we meet monthly, it's nice to know that I'm meeting with peers who are similarly ambitious, who are facing similar challenges, and it's nice to compare notes, offer suggestions, talk about best practices for developing research as well as managing our research and managing our labs. And I find this has been really helpful for me as I develop my own lab and build my program of research. The KL2 program has definitely made an impact on how I view my research. When I first started, I was very focused on a very narrow line of work and wasn't working with any clinicians, although I was working with a clinical population. Now I have a much broader view of the questions that I'm interested in, and I involve clinicians to help me interpret our findings and make sure that the work is meaningful, that it translates to improving diagnosis or improving treatment outcomes for that population. This program has really spurred some great collaborations for me at the Hershey campus. So I've met collaborators at seminars and workshops and followed up with them on some common areas that we're interested in to see if it would be fruitful for us to begin working together. And it can be difficult with the distance between the two campuses, but we communicate on a regular basis, either by Skype, by phone, or by email, and we meet whenever we can before and after our seminars at Hershey and University Park. We try to capitalize on that one day each month in order to provide project updates for each other, make suggestions, inform each other's work, and push our projects forward. One of the unique aspects of the CTSI KL2 program is that it provides a structured mentoring environment. And although you have your individual mentors that may or not be in your department or college, you also have the mentoring that's associated with the monthly workshops and the program administrators. They deliver workshops that are relevant for learning how to manage your lab, develop grant proposals, build teams for team science, and that structure is set and provides you with some added mentoring and added time to learn about opportunities within Penn State, within the CTSI, and develop more extensive collaboration. Considering developing a KL2 proposal, I highly encourage you to go through the process. The education, mentorship, and protected time has been really important in the development of my clinical and translational program of research here at Penn State.